Hello friends, welcome to Civil's Right YouTube channel. My name is Avinash Agarwal. In this video, I'll be discussing with you a question that was asked in GS1 Civil Services Main Examination 2024. Question is, what were the events that led to the Quit India movement? Point out its results. Fairly straightforward question, routine question. Almost everybody who has studied to any good level in the prelims examination should be able to answer this question. I will be providing a detailed fodder material through this particular lecture, which you can download from the app. I want you to answer this question and submit it for free evaluation through the app, right? Now, when you are discussing events that lead up to the Quit India movement, please don't just make a list of the events. Don't do that. Please try to explain that how each event is contributing towards the dissatisfaction, discontentment, and disenchantment that our leaders, that our population felt against the Britishers, and how that became the fuel that light up the fire of क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट. ये चीज को आपको जरूर अपने आंसर्स के अंदर इलेबोरेट करने की कोशिश करनी है. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया एक्ट ऑफ 1935 आप जानते हैं हमने इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया था. उसके बाद जो है लिमिटेड ऑटोनॉमी वाज मेड अवेलेबल टू प्रोविंशियल लेजिस्लेचर्स, मीनिंग कि प्रोविंस यानी कि स्टेट्स के अंदर गवर्नमेंट्स अपॉइंट करे जा सकते हैं. वो गवर्नमेंट्स जो है दे विल बी having some popular nature in the sense that there is going to be a role of elections in that particular government formation, and जो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म होगी उसके बाद थोड़े बहुत पावर्स दिए जाएंगे हेल्थ एटसेट्रा, सैनिटेशन एटसेट्रा काइंड ऑफ फील्ड्स के अंदर, ताकि लोकल लेवल के चैलेंजेस एंड प्रॉब्लम्स को वो गवर्नमेंट टैकल करने की कोशिश कर सके. इलेक्शंस करवाए 1937 के अंदर. कांग्रेस पार्टी वन एब्सोल्यूट मेजॉरिटी इन 5 आउट ऑफ 11 प्रोविंसेस. बट हुआ ये दोस्तों कि वर्ल्ड वॉर टू स्टार्टेड इन 1939 एंड दैट वाज अ सिग्निफिकेंट टर्निंग पॉइंट. व्हाई? बिकॉज जो इंडिया के वाइस रॉय थे एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, ही डिक्लेयर्ड दैट इंडिया विल पार्टिसिपेट ऑन द ब्रिटिश साइड इन वर्ल्ड वॉर टू. अब हमारे को पूछ के तो ये डिसीजन लिया नहीं गया, ये डिसीजन को लेकर हमारे ऊपर थोप दिया गया. एज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ विच कांग्रेस फेल्ट दैट दिस इज एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू प्रोटेस्ट एंड rekindle the spark of the national movement, right? So the idea over here is जो constitutional reforms and electoral victories के थ्रू जो आगे बढ़ने का प्रोसेस था उसके ऊपर ब्रेक लग गया, राइट? एंड कहीं ना कहीं क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट की तरफ जो है गेम आगे बढ़ने लग गया, राइट? Because of the war there is a lot of shortage, because material resources, everything is getting diverted towards the war effort, right? So there is obviously a lot of hardships that Indians are suffering, and Britishers are not caring about the same. They are busy extracting resources from India, which is causing shortages, which is causing price rise, which is causing excessive shortages, which will eventually lead into one of the worst human created disasters वर्ल्ड हैज एवर सीन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ बंगाल famine ऑफ 1943. ये सब ब्रिटिश पॉलिसीज का नतीजा है. उसी दौरान ऑब्वियसली इंडियंस वर डिमांडिंग फर्दर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म्स, दे वर डिमांडिंग फर्दर मूवमेंट टुवर्ड्स द आइडिया ऑफ स्वराज, द आइडिया ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस, राइट? सो क्रिप्स मिशन जो है उसी दौरान जो है इंडिया के अंदर आया मार्च 1942 के अंदर. सर स्टैफोर्ड क्रिप्स का नाम आपने शायद सुना होगा. And mission offered dominion status after the war. This was too little, too late. Obviously, Congress was not very happy with this offer. Like I said, that dominion status हम लोग जो है 10, 15, 20 साल पहले अगर एक्सेप्ट करते तो अलग बात होती थी. 1942 के अंदर भैया तुम हमारे को डोमिनियन स्टेटस दे रहे हो, मतलब मजाक करने लग रहे हो, राइट? सो दिस ऑफर वाज रिजेक्टेड बाय द इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. इट वाज वेरी इनएडिक्वेट. Proposal was not only inadequate but it was also ambiguous. There was hardly any timeline that was suggested, right? And the idea is that कि जो defense है and जो foreign affairs है, that was not under our control, Indian control. ठीक है, कम्युनल टेंशन बढ़ने लग रहे थे, सिचुएशन डिटीरियोरेट होने लग रही थी, और इस दौरान गांधी जी felt that this is the right time to launch that one final push in the form of Quit India movement. So this was supposed to be a non-violent civil disobedience campaign that was launched to compel the Britishers to leave India, right? So these are the events, right? What are the major events that you have to highlight, right? You have to highlight that governments were there, world war was started, we were dragged into the world war, we resigned, there is hardships, there is shortages, there is a lack of reforms, there is a lack of progress, Cripps mission fails, कंडीशन इज डिटेरियोरेटिंग, कम्युनल टेंशन इज हैपनिंग, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा को सारी चीजों को लपेट कर जो है फॉर्डर मटेरियल तैयार हो जाता है to start the fire of Quit India movement. क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट के रिजल्ट्स की अगर मैं बात करूं, जो कि क्वेश्चन का सेकंड पार्ट है, राइट? सो क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट इज अ फैंटास्टिक मूवमेंट इन द सेंस दैट जो टॉप लीडरशिप थी, जो टॉप ब्रास थी कांग्रेस की, उसको पूरी की पूरी को उठा के ब्रिटिशर्स हैड थ्रोन इनटू द जेल्स. सो एसेंशियली इट वाज a leaderless movement in the sense that popular leaders were behind bars. Yet despite that, जो political awareness है, जो political activism है, that was at such a mature stage in India that people of India, they participated in this movement with unwavering determination. Across all the major towns and cities, you will see that there is significant protest against the British rule. This is an unprecedented crisis for the Britishers, because now people have started showing a mirror to the Britishers. It's not just Congress, it's not just parliamentarians, it's not just the top brass. So there is a complete erosion of British legitimacy in the eyes of Indians, and the complete foundation of British rule was shaken. And this movement therefore started laying the path towards India's freedom through the slogan of do or die. अब लोग मरने मारने पर उतर आ चुके थे, right? Movement also became violent, but then Congress leadership said that what can we do? We were in jails, right? People did whatever they did because of their natural anger with you. हम क्या कर सकते हैं, right? To be honest, yes, Quit India movement ने immediately हमारे को independence नहीं दिलाई, but it amply demonstrated the will and reserve of diverse communities. It showed the spirit and enthusiasm of ordinary people. ये बहुत important था. प्रति सरकार, parallel governments got created across variety of cities, a variety of parts of India. राइट काफी रेडिकल मूवमेंट था, काफी वायलेंट मूवमेंट था. यहाँ पर पुअर लेबरिंग क्लास का काफी अच्छा सपोर्ट आपको देखने को मिल रहा है, बिकॉज उनके मुद्दे जो है अब मूवमेंट के मुद्दे बन चुके थे, राइट? एवरी मेजर सिटी सॉ सम काइंड ऑफ एक्शन. ब्रिटिश कंट्रोल फिर भी टाइट रहा, ब्रिटिश कंट्रोल फिर भी मेंटेन रहा, and eventually by the time this movement lost its steam and strength, Congress decided that let us move further towards the 1946 elections. Let us push for constitutional reforms, let us push for independence, let us push for further sharing of power with the Indians. This is what you have to be able to highlight. You have to start from Government of India Act of 1935, outbreak of World War II, Cripps mission. You have to talk about the economic challenges that people were facing, apart from the fact that there was a stagnancy within the political space in terms of power sharing, right? There is increased unity, which is a result. There is a weakening of British authority, which is a result. And there is a laying of the groundwork for independence, which is the result. And by the time World War will end and countries such as America will emerge victorious, powerful superpowers, right? So people will start realizing that probably Britishers do not have the legitimate right to be able to rule over a subcontinent, and their control over India will start weakening. That is the outcome, or that is the key result of Quit India movement that you have to highlight. So this is my entire discussion. I encourage you to download the fodder and do the answer writing on your own autonomously without referring to any notes, because ultimately exam में आप अकेले जाएंगे दोस्तों. With this, we'll bring this lecture to an end. Thank you so much. All the best and Jai Hind to all of you.